So, good morning, children. So, in your previous class, we have discussed about how the civilizations have formed. I know what were how the situations helped civilizations to begin. I know what are the different types of civilizations. I know what is the definition of civilization we have learned. So, the advanced stage of human beings. So, is generally referred as civilization. So, many such concepts we have covered. And in today's lesson, we will start with our chapter Mesopotamian civilization. So with the background or basic background I have provided in previous class, you may understand now it is very easy. So Mesopotamian civilization is one of the ancient most civilization. So among all the civilizations in the world, Mesopotamian civilization was the ancient most one. And if you want to find the location of this civilization, where exactly this civilization has begun, so you can just look at the map here. So this is an exact place, or if you look here also, you can exactly know where this civilization has started. So here, as you know, every civilization has started on the banks of river. Even this civilization started on the banks of river Tigris and Euphrates. So this is Euphrates river flowing and this is Tigris river flowing. In between these rivers, a great civilization has started and it is called Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization is not one civilization. Many places in this area started one by one in a civilized manner of living. So that I will discuss later. So Mesopotamian civilization started between the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. And in Greek, the term Mesopotamia literally means land between two rivers. So in Mesopotamian, the word Mesopotamia literally means the land between two rivers. So Tigris and Euphrates. This southern part of this area was called Sumer. So as you can see, this is the first area in this Mesopotamian region. See why they call it as Mesopotamian. There are many places which developed civilizations in between these two. So now between these two rivers, Sumer is the first area where civilization has started. So this is, if you consider this all area as Mesopotamian civilization, this is south, right? And this is north. So to the south of the civilization, we have Sumer, and in this region, the first civilization has begun in Mesopotamian region. Hence, it is also called Sumerian civilization. To the north, they have Akkad and Babylon. So you can see Akkad and Babylon also here. So to the south of Mesopotamia, we have Sumeria, a city where civilization has developed. To the north of Mesopotamia, we have Akkad and Babylonia, where civilization also occurred. And the uplands in the north were referred as Assyria. So some lands like near to these rivers, there is an upland area, and that area is called Assyria. So which is part of Iraq and Syria. Okay, so to conclude this, we have Sumer, we have Akkad, it is spelled as Akkad, and we have Babylonia, we also have Assyria. So all these are states of civilization. They are places where civilization exactly began. First it started in Sumer, later in Akkad, later in Babylonia, later in Assyria. Like this, in different places. But all these places are in between these two rivers. The place between these two rivers is called Mesopotamia. Understood? So, and this Mesopotamian civilization flourished from 5000 to 2000 BCE. So BCE means before Common Era. So even BC is referred as BCE now. So it is called before Common Era. And during floods, these twin, see, why do you think people have settled on the banks of these two rivers, River Tigris and River Euphrates? Why do you think they have settled there? They have settled there because these two rivers will bring alluvial silt. So the soil which is present in these rivers is very fertile, and such fertile soil is very much useful for growing crops. Hence, these people have come and settled on the banks of river Tigris and Euphrates. So what is this region called? The region between two rivers is called Mesopotamian civilization. Is called Mesopotamia. Okay, and this is also called a Bronze Age civilization, as bronze was discovered by man at the end. When did man discover bronze? By the end of the Neolithic age or New Stone Age. So when Neolithic age was about to end and the ancient period of history begins, the civilization started. During this transition phase, man has discovered bronze. So this civilization is also called Bronze Age civilization. And why people have settled here? Because the rivers will bring a very fertile soil called alluvial silt. So this is about the location of Mesopotamian civilization. So after learning the location of Mesopotamia, now let us see what are its boundaries. So generally, if you look at the Mesopotamian region, you cannot see any natural boundaries, right? So naturally, they don't find like natural boundaries like mountains, deserts, or sea protecting it. You may get doubts, sir. Here, this is Mesopotamian region. Understand? So this region, immediately they don't have any mountains here. Somewhere far away, it may look very near, but it is very far. So they are, very far away from the Mesopotamian region. So this region has no immediate natural boundaries like mountains, deserts, or sea protecting it. Hence, this area attracted several nomadic tribes. What do you mean by nomadic tribes? Nomadic means travel from one place to another place and make living. So tribes means they are people. Okay. So these people, the tribals, initially when why they got attracted towards this region? Because very close to this region, there are no big mountains, there are no seas and no deserts and all. But this region is having two rivers with full of good soil, and hence they got attracted towards this region and they went and settled in this place. So the soil is one of the major reason. I mean, the rivers and the soil brought by these two rivers, and having natural boundaries very far away, or if you talk, there is immediate to this region, there is no natural boundaries. Hence, this region is very much suitable for settlement. Hence, people came from different regions and now they started settling in this area and were responsible for having a civilization. So now let us understand the what is this civilization composed of? Is this one civilization or is it a composition or it's a mixture of many civilizations? That we will try to understand now. See, the earliest tribe, I said, right, the tribes came because of good water facility and good soil conditions. Many tribes came and settled here. Among them, the first tribe to come and settle in this region is known as Sumerians. People of Sumeria, they came and settled in this Mesopotamian region, and they developed the world's first civilization. So advanced way of living was started by a tribe called Sumerians. So these Sumerians initially came and they were responsible for civilization in Mesopotamian region, and it is the oldest of the Mesopotamian city-states. So I have asked you a question here, that is this civilization, which one, the Mesopotamian, is it one or many? Are we calling Mesopotamian civilization as one or many civilizations together as Mesopotamian? Here the answer is many civilizations are the civilizations in many places within Mesopotamian region, are referred as Mesopotamian civilization. So, the first city to form in this region is Sumer. So, in 3500 BCE, okay, Sumer civilization began, and later it prospered for more than 1500 years. So, for 1500 years, this Sumerian civilization prospered. After Sumerian, this region was later occupied by Assyrians, okay, Akkadians, Babylonians. So this region, the Sumer region, was occupied by Babylonians, Assyrians, even now Akkadians, and many people. So every time, if suppose Akkadians occupy, they develop city and they call Akkadian civilization. Babylonians occupy, they called it as Babylonian. Assyrians occupied it, Assyrian civilization. So if you have an idea of the map, if these are the two rivers, okay, and Sumeria started here, then somewhere Akkad began here, and Babylonia somewhere here. These Akkadians went and occupied this, and they created Akkadian civilization. Later Babylonians came, they occupied this entire area. They called it as Babylonian civilization. So it is a combination of Sumerians, Assyrians, and Babylonians. So in general, these three were the major contributors for Mesopotamian civilization. Now you got the point, right? Mesopotamian civilization is not one civilization. It is combination of Sumerians, Assyrians. Maybe Sumerians came and started the civilization. Later, this region was occupied by Assyrians, Babylonians, and even Akkadians. So, many such people contributed to this civilization by occupying these areas, and hence Mesopotamia is a combination of civilizations.